Hey, Ken here at Waters Garden Center, and the grasses are starting to show up. And thought I'd give you a couple examples. This is the grass section. So, Miscanthus, Coral Forester. This was Prune of the Year a couple years ago. This one's Grama grass, a true native, and then the biggest of them all, Pampas grass. This is the one that gets that gigantic, big plume. It gets up easily head high. Great big white plume. That's this guy right here. But look at this. Look at the seed heads on this Grama grass. This is a just unusual native blonde Ambition. I don't know if you can quite see all that. Let me close up here. It looks like eyebrows showing up on the grass. I love that one in that it just, I get up to size. Doesn't take any real care. What I do is I'll take the weed whacker, just mow it off real quick. At the end of the winter season, I fertilize it. It comes back every year like that. But grass is late summer through fall. That's the time to plant grasses in your backyard.
Click on the link below for more information. Of course, the plants are available here at Waters Garden Center, but the idea of every day at 11:30, Monday through Friday, lunchtime special is to give you something inspiring, something natural to look at, something that'll help you be a better gardener or just fun to relax with, and available at Waters Garden Center.